The pitter-patter hums its tune. A gray hallway, the afternoon. Windows foggy, secrets trace. The rain wraps me in its embrace. A hoodie shrugs against the chill. The amber light through is still. Socks on wood, the creaking floor. A quiet knock I can't ignore. Rain falls, I'm alive today. Warm hands, let the world decay. Soft skies, paint my soul in gray. This cozy heart will never fray. An old book whispers tales of old. Each turning page feels like gold. Tea steam rises, curls and sways. The rhythm beats in cloudy grays. The thunder claps but doesn't shout. It's the kind of storm I dream about. A calm chaos, it saves my mind. A gentle world I never find. Rain falls, I'm alive today. Warm hands, let the world decay. Soft skies, paint my soul in gray. This cozy heart will never fray. An old book whispers tales of old. Each turning page feels like gold. Tea steam rises, curls and sways. The rhythm